ChatGPT just got a major buff. After GPT-4 came out, AI industry was going absolutely bananas. But now they released something even more impressive than that. They gave GPT even more context. That's right. You see, because of the way neural networks work, context really helps GPT-4 to be more accurate and be more precise. But now OpenAI found a way to personalize the context to you. They added a section where you can tell Chat all about yourself and tell it how you want it to respond to you. Today we're going to talk about how to leverage these abilities to really optimize GPT. This is quite the catch, teaching you everything there is to know about design one video at a time. So today we're going to split this up into two parts. How to tell Chat about yourself, and how to tell Chat to respond. Let's get right into it. Here at the bottom, we have your profile. You want to click on it and click Custom Instructions. Now when you open the instructions, you have two prompts. You have two paragraphs and you have 1,500 words each to give to ChatGPT, so you have a lot of options. And you'll see if you click on it, it will give you some instructions. It'll give you some prompts, some ideas that it can give you. And I really like these ideas, but we're going to split it up into two ways. In telling GPT about you, you should be telling it first the cold hard facts and also your dreams and your goals in life. Be upfront with your dreams. That way GPT can know where you are and where you want to be, and it can help you connect the dots. Next, we have how we want GPT to respond. We categorize this in two ways as well. The format that GPT responds, and also the informations it responds with. In the format, you can say, I don't like it when you go on long-winded explanations. I just want the truth and I just want that. And you can tell it to be short. But you can do what I like to do and say, I want the full details of everything, make sure the responses are long. And about information, you can say things like, respond to me most of the time as if you're explaining something to a 5-year-old. Or help me connect my goals in life with whatever prompt I just gave you. Help me understand how I can use this information to get where I want to go. That's it for this video. I hope I gave you some clear and concise ways how to use this new feature to optimize GPT. If you liked the video, consider hitting the thumbs up button. See ya!